Show your school parents a complete learning journey where every child grows, shines, and thrives. Introduce them to the LKG Smart Book Kit, a thoughtfully designed to elevate your preschool's brand and leave a lasting impression on every parent with Anytime, Anywhere learning platform, which comes absolutely free with every kit. My Bright books have been thoughtfully designed to meet the requirements of the National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023, ensuring your school is future-ready, compliant, and child-centric. The Smart Book Kit for LKG covers a 44 pages phonics books, a 36 pages rhymes book, a 52 pages alphabet and pattern writing activity book, a 56 pages general knowledge activity book, a 112 pages book of composite mathematics, a 64 pages number tracing activity book, a 56 pages alphabet and pattern writing activity book, a 198 pages my practice workbook, a 32 pages good habits and safety book, a 46 pages general knowledge book, a 36 pages My Bright picture book of coloring. The kit also includes an activity calendar to support monthly learning plans, all about me chart to encourage self-expression, a box of crayons to inspire creativity, and a DIY multi-intelligence. Portal card for access to interactive activities such as quiz, craft work, Montessori exercises of practical life, etc. Discover our smart books, the book that talks, teaches, and guides. Just scan and learn. Loved by teachers for instant guidance in the classroom. With over 1,000 free videos built right into the books, learning comes alive anytime, anywhere. No separate app needed, no extra payment. Parents simply scan a QR code to unlock teacher-guided video lessons that complement the books. Why preschool owners choose this kit? 1. Enhances the perceived value of your preschool program. 2. Impresses parents and builds a stronger school trust. 3. Offers effortless reinforcement of classroom learning at home. 4. Positions your school as progressive and parent-focused. 5. Increases your brand credibility with minimal additional effort. This LKG Smart Book Kit is the perfect value addition to your preschool's offering. There is a separate unboxing video which gives a nearly real-life experience of this Smart Book Kit.